Alright guys, here's my 2017 fireworks stash, well at least part of it for now. We're going to start off with the little stuff here. We got some ground balloons with reports. I already busted into them. Got some spring plum crackers there. Some Vixen strips right there. Some Mad Hornet, it's a 400 strip. Little fountain. Some kicks, those got a good crackle to them. I just picked these up this year, I've never seen them before. Some spider tubes. Got some rockets up here. I always get these for free and stuff. Got some fiery Phoenix rockets. 6 of that pack. Some Texas pop rockets. Some storm violence rockets. Never had them before. Up here we got smiling from ear to ear. Some smiley face rockets. Just some 8-ounce rockets there. We got this little box. And here we got some fuse, about 130 feet. This is some little stuff I picked up at the dollar store. Some little fountains, 2 boxes of them. Some short stacks, those got good blue to them. Rowdy. Alright, and then over here we got some whistling jacks. Just some little aerial spinners, Eagle, got those for free. Of course, gotta pick up some kingpins. Here's my little cakes. This Venom, Air Bomb, Anti-Tank mine. Up here we got Begging for Mercy, Emerald City. Some cutting edge cakes there. Down here we got a 500 gram awareness. Over here we got the candles, Contraband candles, Flashing Thunder, more Flashing Thunders, just 2 different wraps, and these got stars with them. Some tiny candles, those are cheap. Some magic lights, some Viking candles here. Over here we got some Mambas, some Crazy Kings. Colorful Soundbird, Shots to Remember, it's by Fisherman. We got some Thunder Tomahawk rockets, got some match crackers there, got some Reach for the Skies, some little single shots, and then we got some Tannerite cake here. I already lit one of them off, those are loud. Over here got my shells. Got some pro shells. A little thing of Matador. All my other shells are back in Illinois right now. Shoot, I forgot to show you some pole ring smoke grenades here. I play around with those during the day. Oh, I got over here we got some mini lasers. Those sound like fun. Some speedballs, those are always some fun stuff. I got a whole bag of these things. These are awesome. Little mines, bees and flowers. Plan on making a board with those. Yeah guys, that's it. That's it for now. I'm gonna show you part 2 later on. Peace out, Pyro Nation.